Good morning, everybody. I hope that you're doing so well. Sorry, there's a little bit of lag time on this video. It's recording my volume faster than my face, so that's weird, and I'm really sorry about that. Just wanted to touch base with you what's coming up, sorry. You all have, most of you turned in your brainstorming for your essay, your analysis paper. Let me know if you have questions on that. I want you to go ahead and start drafting. Let's shoot for the due date being Monday. 3 pages of your analysis. So this is your rough draft. So remember, I'm focusing more on your content, making sure that it's formatted properly so I can look at all of those things and get that together. I love what you have so far. Your evidence, your quotes. Remember, you're looking at outside sources, so you can like Google search, comments on The Great Gatsby, or thoughts and analysis and interpretations of The Great Gatsby, and within all the prompts that I gave you. So make sure that you, in your writing, you stay true to your thesis statement and your prompt, that you're answering the questions, that you're not just rattling on about Gatsby, but you're moving it back to your thesis and the prompt. So that's encouraging. But yeah, I was really, really impressed with your brainstorming and whatnot. So now we're going to move towards drafting. Forgive my yawn, sorry. So make sure that you are sticking with that. On Monday, you are going to get a new student teacher. Her name is Miss Mack. She's great. She is going to do a little video introducing herself tomorrow. So we'll both look at your papers together and then go from there. And she'll start the jungle with you on Monday. So I'm attaching the PDF to the classroom link so that you can go from there. But please start drafting. Get ready to read the jungle for next week. Your vocab's due today, and then we have a vocab quiz tomorrow. And then we'll start the jungle next week. So that's nice that it's not too much going on. I'll probably give you a little grammar to do tomorrow as well, just to keep you active with that. And again, tomorrow is the end of quarter, so if you have grades or things due that from like when we were in school, make sure you get those into me. I know that you might be worried about your fourth quarter or your third quarter grades. I'll let you know if there's an issue. I'm going to try my hardest to put as many grades in today as possible. So make sure that you are all caught up. And then we're going to start fourth quarter on Google Classroom, but hopefully we'll end fourth quarter in the actual school. Please, Lord. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base about that. Please check the stream every day. I'm going to post this video under Classroom and on the stream. I just emailed you all. Check stream every day. I feel like I give a lot of important announcements, and I post a lot of videos on instruction on the stream, so make sure that you are checking that every day. But yeah, I miss you. Feel free to email me videos of your thoughts on everything so that I can still see your faces. So anyway, let me know if you have questions. Bye, guys.